Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm grateful that today you have stopped by to watch my video. And today we have a special meal that you're going to be prepping, and we're going to be prepping pilau. So without much further ado, let's start the video. So this is my ingredient for me to be able to cook the pilau. This is beef. I've already pre-boiled. Of course, we have coriander. I love my pilau with a lot of onions. I have ginger, and still I have garlic. I have 1 cube to season my rice. This is black pepper, of course salt. We have paprika here. We have cumin, and we have pilau masala. Those are the spices that I'm going to be using. Then I have rice and of course oil. So welcome back to my channel, and I'm grateful that you have stopped by. So karibu sana, let's dive into it. On to our first step, we're going to be prepping our vegetables, and so on to our that step, we are going to be browning our beef.